Everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows high RAM usage. It's a very simple to do that. Just simply come over into your task manager and click on the right mouse button, click on task manager, and here you have to click on the process and maximize it and simply click on memory. And from here you have to find out which app is taking lots of memory. Right now I'm using Google Chrome, that's why it's okay, but I'm not using Windows Explorer. So click on it, click on to end it, but there is no Windows Explorer end it option. You can simply select those apps that you are not currently using, just simply turn them off, and it will going to help you to free some spaces. WhatsApp not using right now. So now this is solved. We can simply try another step. Just simply type in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open your settings. Then you can simply click on apps and then select your startup. And from here you can simply disable all the startup apps from your computer, and that can help you to make your computer more faster, most responsive, and also fix your high RAM uses. So yeah, this is how we can simply fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.